Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to use a leaf blower in a very efficient way. The first thing that we're going to want to do is check to see which way the wind is coming from and decide where you want to put your leaves. In this case, we're going to be putting the leaves in that back corner. Now this may seem obvious, but you're going to start in the furthest corner away from where you want the leaves to end up. Grab your hearing protection. And as you see here, what we're doing is using a back and forth typewriter method. To blow the leaves all in one direction at the same time. Another part of this trick is, as you see, there aren't a whole lot of leaves on the lawn to begin with. I don't wait until all of the leaves are off of the tree. I spend about 5 or 10 minutes every other day blowing the leaves, so I don't have to spend hours taking care of it on one day. If you like these tips, please like, subscribe, and comment.